It is a beautiful day in Zamunda. Whatever Eddie Murphy said. But anyway, I got my dogs a little Christmas gift.
Yum, yum, yum.
Some little Christmas bones. And it's 4 dogs or whatever. And it's supposed to help them with their, you know, with their teeth. Help them with, to prevent a lot of like plaque buildup. Which if you don't believe me, it's right there. Come on, camera. Bam. So, let's see what they think about it. And I got my boy with me, looking fly. And who's calling me right now?
With the sun in his eye.
Hello? Yeah. Okay. Y'all met Ghost. Yeah, Ghost is here officially right now. I gotta get in there and clean this kennel out though, cause he done dropped some logs. I've been mixing his food up a little bit cause it was real runny when he first came. So now you see his droppings a little more thick, which I like that. That means his bowels is going good. This is a big boy. Y'all don't know how big he is. Mally, come stand right here. Let me show them how big he is. Turn around. Ghost. I hope he jump. Look. He tall as my son on 2 legs.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hey. Look at that.
Wow.
Now look at my little homie. I ain't forgot my little homie. This is my little buddy right here. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? He don't finish his food. But what's up, boy? All right, let's see what they think about these little bones. Hold this now. You got it on the dogs?
Yeah.
Keep looking in the camera. Don't look up.
Message!
Alright.
Y'all see how timid he is with it, right? You see he timid with it. Now I know old buddy, he about to go to work. This joker eats sticks and everything. He about to go to work. Look. I told you. I told you he about to go to work.
Oh wow.
Look, he done lost his. Tiger.
What in the world did he do with it?
Look, he done took his in the house. He don't even want to share it. What you do with it? You hiding it? He done took his in the house. You supposed to be chewing on that thing, boy. Pause. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now you about to put in work. Now you about to put in work. Yeah, when they get a good bite on them and see that it's edible, they'll kill it. And look at you. You just wasteful.
Jump!
You are just wasteful. Look at the food. You waste your food that I mixed up nice and neat. And you don't want to chew on the bone. What's wrong with you? You just want to get out and play. That's all he like to do, and he the oldest. Just get out and play. What's up, little homie? Is it good?
I wish the red and green parts would stick on me.
Hey, look, somebody told my cousin that these breed of dogs won't go in another dog house. Let me tell y'all something about dogs that I done learned. There's something I done learned in life. dogs are like, oh no, I got a smear on my lens.
No.
Man, I gotta get my proper cloth. I don't see it though, so it might be straight. But anyway,
Every time I put my hand right here, he gets the bone.
dogs are like humans. You can't, I mean, I get it. It's good to know a little bit about them or whatever, but that's kind of like saying all black people do this, all black people do that, all black people eat this, all black people, you know. I mean, everybody's different. All white people do this, all white people do that. Nah, it's different strokes for different folks. It's the same thing with dogs. Yes, I know what breeds are known for. I get that. Just like how everybody think pit bulls are so aggressive and mean, but it's all in how you raise them. This dude right here, man, I just fed him the other night. Stuck my hand right in this bowl. I mean, and you know, nothing happened. Same thing with him. I can feed him by hand. And he's a bully mix. His mom is like an official tri-bully. His dad, you know, whatever, walked around that day. But yeah, so don't get so caught up on what you read. Don't get me wrong, knowledge is good, and anything you do, it's good to read up on stuff and get something in the back of your mind, but don't get stuck on that, because I mean, everything is different. It's all in how you raise them, how you breed them, seeing the parents. So just because he's I don't even know how to pronounce it, doggo, whatever, don't mean everything you read on is gonna be precise to the point. You dig?
Message.
But you know, anyway, cause look at him. He ain't do that to the house. That house is old. I done had 2 dogs in that house. But each time I moved another one in and I bleached it out, cleaned it out like 3, 4, 5 times. But look at him in there. He sleeps in there every night. Anyway, that's just Ron's 2 cents for the day. And as you see, he killing that thing now. I hope you can see it.
He keeps on trying to break it. Like he did that bait thing.
But anyway, my family hungry. I gotta go pick up this food. So you see how he killing it?
Yum, yum, yum.
You see what he want to do. He just want to play. He ready to get out and play. So after we eat, I'm gonna come out and let him out. All right, son, you got anything to say?
Stay blessed, stay positive, and have fun.
We out. You go, boy. All right, y'all. Let's see what they did with these bones. And whole lot of nothing. I can't believe you. Well, he ate the top off one of them. Look at yours. These are something. You done waste my money. You done waste my money. Look at the food. Look at him. He'll eat it. Ain't that right, boy? Alright, I gotta go eat first, and I'll be back to play with y'all. I'll be back. Hey, what up, family? It's day 2 of the same video. You know, there ain't nothing really to this one. Ain't nothing really thought out. Just me and the dogs. So I'm up here about to give my my little cousin a shape up, and I'm up here with that Rottweiler that hates me. So I brought a peace treaty. I got him a little Christmas present too. And so we're gonna see how he accepts it. What up, cuz? Hey, look, I bought the dog a peace treaty. I'm gonna see if he accepts. I'm kind of nervous. Hey. I was gonna get put in his mouth, but I got scared. You don't want it? That's a peace treaty, man. Look, he looking like he don't know about that. You see the hair standing up on his back? Hell know about that. Man, that sucked. I tried. The watch when I turn around, he jump at me. Let's see. Oh, what? It might have worked. Alright, y'all. I ain't get to pull my camera out because I was carrying all my little clippers and whatnot. But it might have worked because he ain't bark at me or jump at me or nothing. But you know, I know this wasn't the most interesting video, and I apologize, but you know, if you're a dog lover and just like to see dogs, it was for you. But I'm gonna get right in my next Santa Don't Play That skit. You know, if you have any ideas or anything, hit me up, you know, let me know. I'm up to advice. But like always, stay blessed, stay positive, have fun, and we out.